Hey guys, I'm back with a tutorial on how I transform my natural hair into this very easy and cute two braids into double curly bun hairstyle.
But you knew that.
So jumping straight into the video, you're going to be needing some hair wax, you're going to need some combs as well as a brush, and you're also going to be needing some hair extensions. You actually don't have to if you don't want to, but I decided to feed in some old human hair extensions as well. I already did the right side of my hair off of camera. I filmed it for Instagram, so this is what it came out looking like. As you guys can see, it's looking crisp, it's looking clean. So let me show you how I achieved this style. It's very easy. Okay, now I'm going to be parting down the middle of that section and I'm going to be applying this hair wax. If you want to get professional results, then you have to mold your hair because this is what the professionals do. Okay, so I'm just molding my hair with that hair wax. You want to go in between the layers so it's really flat, and I'm just using a rat tail comb to comb that in, and now I'm going to start braiding my hair. If you don't know how to cornrow, then you might be side-eyeing me when I call this style easy, but you don't necessarily have to cornrow. You can do flat twists, and if you can't do any of those, then just take this video to your hairstylist that's inspo. So I'm just braiding down the rest of my hair, and like I said, I'm going to be feeding in some human hair extensions as well. I didn't feed in as much on this side because I didn't want it to get too thick. Now the thicker your hair is, the harder the style is going to be to achieve because it's honestly a lot of arm work. Just take your time, make sure you're detangling the ends as you go through. Just don't rush through it. The entire style took me less than an hour to do both braids, so it's definitely very quick and easy, but you want to take your time so that you have very nice and neat results and you don't have to redo the braids. After I was done with the second braid, I went ahead and twisted the ends. To be honest, you can actually leave this hairstyle just like this. You can twist it up and pin it up and just have it like, you know, some crown braids, which I think would be really cute. But I decided to add these old extensions that I've had, and I'm just going to show you guys how I attach extensions to my hair without sewing. So you want to take the end of the piece of weave that you're about to attach to your hair and just wrap it around the braid, and then wrap the rest of the extensions around. When you get to the end, take another piece of hair and just wrap it around, and honestly, it's going to be so secure. It's honestly not going anywhere. Now I'm just going to wrap the hair up into a bun. I'm just pulling out some pieces just to give it that messy, you know, look, because I think that looks really cute. And yeah, that is basically it, you guys. I think this style is super duper cute. It's super professional for my corporate girlies. For me as a doctor, it's one of my favorite hairstyles because I can easily just put my scrub cap over this. Like, it's not big at all. Very easy. It's a perfect in-between hairstyle. So let me know if you guys will be trying this out. Let me know what you think about mine. Let me know how professional looking it is, and just leave me a sweet comment down below. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down. I'll answer them as well, and I'll be happy to do any other, like, you know, hairstyle ideas you guys have. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.